Hello, I'm Nikhil from ValueText. Today I'll guide you through the exciting world of ValueText grouping messaging, showing you how to connect with multiple contacts effortlessly. Let's get started. Before that, I would like to give you a short brief about group messaging. Group messaging within ValueText revolutionizes communication by enabling users to engage with multiple contacts simultaneously. This feature is designed to streamline interactions, making it an invaluable tool for businesses aiming to connect efficiently with teams, clients, or stakeholders. In this video, I'll guide you setting up and utilizing group messaging, tailored for a seamless experience within Salesforce ecosystem. Initially, you have to navigate to the ValueText setup page. Proceed to step 1, which is country selection. Select either the United States or Canada as the country of operations. Locate and check the box labeled Enable Group Messaging option to activate this feature, unlocking the ability to communicate with multiple contacts at once. The phone number associated with ValueText must be a US based number to support group messaging functionality. This restriction ensures optimal performance and compliance with the regional messaging standards. Now open the desired contact record within Salesforce. Click on this app launcher, search for contacts, select the desired contact record, select SMS as the communication channel, click on group messaging interface. This is the icon to proceed to the group creation interface. In the group messaging interface, enter a unique name for the group, example client, team, or support group. Click the create group button to finalize the group creation, making it available for use. After group creation, proceed to add participants. ValueText offers 3 distinct options for adding participants, each catering to different use cases, which we'll be exploring in the following step. Option 1. These are the 3 options. And the option 1 is adding participants from the record. Select the add participant from the record option. View the details displayed below, including the default sender ID. Observe the additional participants added, reflecting details based on the selected Salesforce object. That is, participants added from the record or drawn from the specific Salesforce object, example contacts, leads, or accounts. The option 2 is adding colleagues. Choose the add colleague option. Select the specific sender ID associated with colleague you wish to include, ensuring proper identification within the group. Option 3 is adding participants from outside Salesforce. That is, select add participants from outside Salesforce option. Enter the required information in the 2 input fields, the participant's name and mobile number. This allows inclusion of individuals not currently within the Salesforce database. For now, we'll continue with this one, add participant from record selection. Now we'll verify the newly created group appears in the mini-chat console, ready for messaging activities. So the details got added. Now we'll check it. See, you can see here. Now type your message in the text input field within the mini-chat console. Let's say hi, this is a demo video. Click the send button to deliver the message simultaneously to all group participants. This action ensures efficient communication across the selected contacts. Now hover your cursor over this message like this to view delivery status, indicating which members have received it. You can check it. Chandrakant has received it. You can see it over here once you hover your message, right? Upon receiving a reply to this message, the system will display the identity of the responder, allowing for targeted follow up if necessary. Simple. This concludes our guide to group messaging with ValueText. For any questions or assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our dedicated support team. Thank you.